If you're thinking about taking the plunge into the Vancouver real estate market, but you're feeling a bit lost and don't know where to start, you're in the right place. I'm Connor, your friendly neighborhood real estate agent, and today we're going to break down 3 crucial questions to answer to kickstart your real estate journey. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1, why are you buying real estate? Now, this might seem like a no-brainer, but trust me, it's a step many people skip. You've got to know your why. Is your goal to find a forever home, a short-term investment, or something to pass down to your kids? Honestly, it could even be to find a recreational purchase you want to have some fun with. Answering these questions helps you figure out what kind of investment suits you best. Question 2, what are you buying? Once you've got your reasons down, it's time to get down to the details, and here's the secret: mix logic with emotion. Logically, consider factors like cost, home type, location, but don't forget to let your heart weigh in on this too. What features get you excited? A big balcony, proximity to your buddies, or those dreamy amenities you've been eyeing? Blend logic and emotion to narrow down your ideal pick. Question 3, how much can you spend? Probably the most important, the budget talk. If you got a wad of cash stashed away, you're golden, but if a mortgage is in the cards, it's time to call in the mortgage pros. They'll dive into your financial details and whip up a strategy. Your budget will be around your annual income multiplied by 4 or 5, plus your down payment, with certain details like credit score and interest playing a part as well. They'll ensure your monthly housing cost doesn't take up more than 40% of your monthly income. Answering these 3 questions lays the foundation for your property search. But of course, there's more to it than that, like finding a trustworthy mortgage broker, scheduling viewings, making and negotiating offers, and navigating all the paperwork. And guess what? I'm here to guide you through it all, absolutely free of charge. If you're ready to start the process or want to learn more about making a real estate investment, please click on the link below now to receive a free, comprehensive breakdown of everything you need to set yourself up for success.